Hi, I'm Justin Delgius from Greater CT Real Estate. Today I'm going to show you how to fix an electrical outlet that has reverse polarity. So I see this all the time. I'm at a home inspection. The home inspector tests the outlets. Sometimes you get something that's called reverse polarity. So we test it right here. And you can match up the lights with the coding right here. So you can see the two on the left are lit. That's indicating a hot and neutral reverse. We also call that reverse polarity. If you don't have a tester like this, but you have just a voltage detector, the hot should be on the right, but you see in this case, it's on the left. So we have the smaller slot right here and the larger neutral slot. So if you're testing reverse polarity, first thing you're going to do is go down to your circuit breaker, turn off the power, and then I'm going to show you how to correct this. So locate your circuit breaker, turn off the power to the outlet, and then we're going to go upstairs and retest it, make sure the power is turned off. All right, so once the power's off, you can just test it. And we're not getting anything, so I'm going to take this plate off right here. Just loosen the screws at the top and the bottom. And it comes out, and we're going to look right here, and we can actually see the white is the neutral line, and that's connected to the brass screws, and the black is the hot line, and that's connected to the silver screws. That's the opposite of what this should be. So when they're reversed, it actually increases your chance of electrical shock. Home inspector will flag that as dangerous, and all you really need to do to correct this is just switch the wires. The black wire is always going to go to the brass screw. The neutral wire is always going to go to the silver screw. So I'm just switching them around. I'm going to put the black in the bottom right behind the screw. And these are the newer outlets, so they slide right in. Some of the older ones, you need to do a little hook on the wire. You just do that by bending it with a needle nose pliers into a little J shape and hook it around the screw. But with these newer ones, they can just slide right in. All right, so the white's with the silver, the black is with the brass. All right, once you make that switch right there, I'm gonna screw this back in, and then we're gonna test it, and if it tests correctly, we're just gonna put the faceplate back on, and it's corrected. So I just put the plate back on, I plugged the tester back in, you can see now it's lit up correctly right there. The two lights on the right are corrected, and you can also test this way. Remember before, we had the power coming out of the neutral slot. Now, the smaller slot or the hot wire side is where the power is coming. So we corrected this, we made the outlet safe to use, and it's really simple fix, so it's nothing to worry about or freak out about when you get the home inspection. It's something that takes less than 5 minutes to do, and you can absolutely do it yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check us out at greaterctrealestate.com.